Hey everybody, today I am showing you us going to IKEA to pick up my new nail desk. This is my Mother's Day present and I am so blessed and excited to be able to get this. Here I'm just showing you after I took some of my nail stuff out of my old desk. And I did buy these containers also from IKEA and they fit perfectly in the Alex drawers. And they were pretty affordable. And there I'm just showing you my nail tower. But this is my husband finishing up putting it together, mounting the top to the Alex drawers. And this is the completed look. I do just have this towel on it right now. We're gonna try to get a piece of glass cut for it. I really don't want the top to get ruined. So I'm just, having this towel on it for now. I'm going to show you a little bit about what's in the drawers. This is not obviously a full nail desk tour or anything, but just to give you an idea of how I have it organized and what the inserts look like. These clear inserts were actually ones I already had before from Dollar Tree, and they work out nice as well. And I am not a nail tech by any means. I just do this as a hobby, so my collection is not nearly as large as some of them that I've seen on here. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy.